Hello everyone. Today I got the TerraMow X here for testing. Also, I got towing hitch attachment for robot. Let's unbox it and see what is in package. As you can see, the box is well protected and everything is packed securely. Right on top, we have the quick start guide. Next is the base of the charging station. This is the maintenance magnetic stand, which lets you safely place the robot on its side when cleaning the cutting deck underneath. Next are the RTK antenna, the ground spikes, and antenna mounting pole. Here are the screws for securing the charging station to the ground, and this is the top section of the charging station with the charging contacts. Finally, here's the star of the show, the TerraMow X itself. The robot comes with two types of cutting blades. The standard razor blades are already installed on robot. In box below is straight mulching blades, which are better for denser grass and provide an improved lifting and mulching effect. Let's take a quick look around. TerraMow X specifications. It has an impressive cutting width of 50 centimeters or 20 inches. It uses 3 cutting motors, each rated at 300 watts, for a combined cutting power of 900 watts. The cutting height is adjustable from 25 to 100 millimeters or 1 to 4 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of lawn conditions. TerraMow X is on 42 volts high-torque AWD platform, which easily handles slopes of up to a 90% grade, which is approximately 42 degrees, allowing it to tackle steep terrain with confidence. On a single battery charge, the mower can operate for up to 3 hours. With the optional extended battery, the runtime increases to as much as 6 hours. Recharging a single battery takes about 90 minutes. You can pause for detailed specs or visit official TerraMow website or Kickstarter page. I've included the links in the description below. Mounting the RTK antenna is straightforward. Screw the pole sections together. Attach the RTK antenna to the top and secure the ground spike to the bottom. Once it's assembled, simply place the antenna in an open area with a clear view of the sky for the best satellite reception. The standard razor blade discs can also be replaced with straight blades. These are designed for a better mulching effect, especially when mowing thicker and denser grass. The razor blade discs spin between 3,000 and 4,000 RPM, while the straight blades operate at speeds of 3,500 to 5,000 RPM. Blade mounting screws have a deep screwdriver slot, making them easy to clean and allowing the screwdriver to fit securely. This makes blade replacement much easier. Here we have the 10-amp power adapter for the charging station. It supplies power to both the charging dock and the RTK antenna. If needed, the RTK antenna can also be powered separately using an additional power adapter. In this box, you'll find the towing hitch attachment for the robot. With the towing hitch installed, the TerraMow X can pull a small garden cart around your yard. This can be useful for transporting gardening tools, plants, soil, or other light garden equipment. TerraMow also plans to offer several official accessories, including an extended battery, an edge trimmer, and more. One of the most exciting features is the support for DIY modules. One of the biggest highlights of this robot for sure is its unique bi-directional mowing system, active camera visions, and bumper on both front and back side. This is what the cutting deck looks like on pre-production model. I can't show the original picture, but I have information it will include a guard behind the cutting discs to help prevent grass from building up around the deck. The cutting discs will also feature a dual plate design to reduce grass from getting trapped behind the blades. These changes should make the deck easier to keep clean. Unlike most robot mowers, it can mow in both directions without turning around after every pass. It just steers in next row and continues work. This has several advantages. It reduces stress on your lawn by eliminating repeated turning in the same spots, which helps prevent damage to the grass. It also improves traction and makes it easier for the mower to handle steep slopes without slipping. The battery is installed from the underside of the robot in a waterproof, sealed compartment designed to protect it from dust and moisture. It connects using 2 separate connectors, and thanks to their design, it's impossible to install them incorrectly. Just plug them in, secure the battery, and you're ready to go. Setting up the robot in the app is also very straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. First, add both the robot and the RTK antenna to the app, then connect them to your Wi-Fi network. Once they're connected, check for and install any available firmware updates for both devices. After that, you're ready to start mapping your lawn. The mowing settings can be applied globally to all zones or customized individually for each zone. For every zone, you can adjust the cutting height, distance from the lawn edge, path spacing, mowing speed, blade speed, and mowing direction. This gives you the flexibility to optimize the mowing pattern for different areas of your lawn and achieve the best possible results. Here's a quick preview of the app. It offers a wide range of settings, allowing you to customize the mower exactly the way you want. When you go to mapping, there is feature like auto mapping. The robot automatically drives across T of your lawn from edge to edge and creates the map for you. If part of your lawn doesn't have a clearly visible edge, you can simply pause the auto mapping, draw a virtual line in the app, and then again continue auto mapping. The robot will use that virtual line as the edge of the mowing area. You can always adjust the virtual boundaries and zones later if needed. There's also a manual mapping mode. In this mode, you drive the robot yourself around the lawn's perimeter. Whenever you reach a clearly defined edge, such as a fence, a wall, or the border between grass and concrete, you can switch to auto follow, and the robot will automatically follow that edge. At any time, you can pause the automatic edge following and continue mapping manually. This combination of automatic and manual mapping makes it easy to create an accurate map, even for complex lawns. Creating a no-go zone is just as easy as creating a mowing zone. The app also lets you add virtual boundaries in several different ways. You can draw straight virtual walls, map curved virtual fences, or add circular and polygon-shaped no-go zones to protect flower beds, trees, garden furniture, and so on. These boundaries can be adjusted or edited at any time, making it easy to fine-tune the map as your yard changes. You can easily split a large zone into smaller ones or merge multiple zones together whenever needed. You can also give each zone a custom name, making it easy to organize your lawn and apply different mowing settings to specific areas. Another feature is the robot's visual scanning capability. As it maps your lawn, it creates a textured preview of each zone using its onboard cameras. Instead of displaying only simple outlines, the app generates a view that looks almost like an aerial image of your yard, making it much easier to recognize different areas and verify that the map matches your actual lawn.
This is the robot mower after the moving my lawn. It's around 415 square meters and it's moving for 14 minutes. This is the result. So this is the magnetic stand.
As I mentioned earlier, the cutting deck will be updated to include a cutting guard behind the discs. After my first round of testing, my initial impressions are positive. The TerraMow X feels solid and well built. It's clearly designed for large lawns thanks to its wide cutting deck, fast mowing speed, long battery life, and fast charging. It looks it will handle steep slopes well. To be fair, the software could still use a few refinements. However, that's something that can be improved through future firmware updates, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it evolves. I already have a few challenging slopes in mind for the next tests, so stay tuned for those. And if you'd like to see me riding on top of the robot, or testing how much weight it can tow with the Hitch, let me know in the comments, and I'll see what this machine is really capable of. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.